Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. So we just wrap up with today's session. We look at the final stage of the printing, which we mentioned we have already understand how to print all the pages, print a current selection, print just a certain page of our document, and also select adding the numbers of pages in which we want to print. Maybe we need 4 copy, we need 2 copy, and the rest. So now the last stage here is the numbers of page per sheet. We know that our paper is a sheet, they call it a sheet of paper. So when you get a sheet of paper, you may decide how many pages should be printed on a one sheet. For example, you can have three. Some people can decide that maybe 2 sheets should be printed on one page. You click here, you take your 2 page per sheet, and you take scaling. Should be always make sure that you set it to be on A4. Then you take OK. It is now going to run your print. Thank you very much for following up. But before we close for today's session, there is something that I will always call it housekeeping. So please, before you start typing anything in Microsoft Word, the first thing that you ever do, your housekeeping, which was the first thing that I was supposed to mention, was to go on the page layout. You click on the page layout ribbon, you click on paper size, and you make sure that you set it on A4 because by default it is on letter, and letter is bigger in width than A4. So always come here to page layout, you go to the page setup group, you have paper size there, then you choose your A4 paper size. And what happens if you want to type on the orientation scale? You go to the page layout and you come on the orientation, you choose your landscape. Let's say that you want to type on a landscape. This is how a landscape paper look like. Let me just reduce the zoom so that we see how a landscape look like. And if you want to change it to portrait, this is how you come here, you take portrait, and it goes up like this. Okay, after that, now the next thing that you need to do is that what you change the font type in which you are typing. And the standard font type of typing documents in Cameroon and internationally is Times New Roman, or you can take Tahoma. Tahoma is another one. Tahoma is another one. You just go there, you start typing the name, it will come up. Tahoma will come up. Or you click here on this drop down here under the font group that you demonstrate that. You click here and you scroll down. When you are scrolling down the scale, you can choose a particular font in which you are going to type your document throughout with. So that is what is called housekeeping. And the next thing is the font size in which you want to type that particular document. Let's say that you want to type it on font size 14 is the standard font size of typing. So you can, if you say 14 and you start typing there, you will see how it is going to be coming up and so on, and we continue going up. So now if I have that, if you have this, and maybe you can decide to increase the font size. This is where you can change the font size. As you are increasing, you see how it is coming big. We will talk this in our next session. Now the next thing is the line spacing. You come here, or still under your home ribbon, you have a paragraph, the paragraph group there. So the paragraph group will help you inserting the paragraphing of your work. Maybe center, you want something to be on center alignment, left alignment, or justify, which I'll always say that this justify is the best type of alignment. So after that, the next thing that you do is to set the line spacing. Line spacing standardly they just give us to be 1.5 in writing projects, especially for students and teachers. But writing some books, maybe it depends the numbers of pages may be filtered to 1.0, and you maybe remove spacing after paragraph and the rest. So if that is just what you need to know for now, setting up your page, typing, saving, and printing for today's session. Tomorrow's session, which is our last day of work, we just pray that may Allah grant us more grace so that we come tomorrow to finish up today's session and we look further to make you to become professionals, to meet you in the world of professionals because we have a group chat already that is existing for the professionals. For professionals, which are some of our students which we have already trained and now they are doing amazingly great in their different fields of work and they are there. So, ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much for following up today's session. I have been your regular host, Ngule Cyril Kunasa, a computer engineer by profession, and thanks to my coach and mentor, Director Manager of Holy Tech and Computer World, Thanks to all the entire team, Fu Desmond Asanji, Tim Dennis, Joy, our senior accountant. Thank you people very much for giving me this privilege. See you tomorrow. Bye bye.